Daniela Nikitu. Veronica Primary School. She's in Year 7 and at 12 years of age. Her favourite subjects are PE, spelling and maths. She'd like to go to university and study business and be successful. Daniela's hobby is netball, as she is one of Australia's up-and-coming netball stars, and she would love to see how far she can go. Nicki Minaj is a person she would like to meet, as she loves her rap music. She's travelled a lot, but would love to visit Darwin. Moving to Australia and meeting Carla Barago from the Thunderbirds has been the best thing to happen to her so fast. She did the course because she always wanted to be a model. The perfect weekend would be to go camping and relax away from everything. Visiting places she hasn't been to yet would be on her agenda if she won $1 million tomorrow. Are we getting any feedback from over on that speaker? Yes? Yes. Can we fix the, I can hear myself reverberating from that speaker over there. Please thank Daniela. Well done, sweetheart. All those flower pants are all the go this season, according to Rundle Moore's Tamara and Cole.
That takes us back over 30